Welcome to the first podcast on measurement. The problem with the early measurements was that it was very inconsistent which units to use. Units such as cubits, fathoms, and the foot were all used to measure length, and scientists decided they needed a single set of units so that they all could communicate. That's why the System International, or SI system, was formed. It's based on the metric system. The fundamental units of the SI system are the length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. We're going to be focusing on the first three: length, mass, and time, represented by the meter, the kilogram, and the second. Fundamental units can be derived mathematically to form derived units. For instance, speed is just distance divided by time, so we represent that by meters per second, or meter per second. We always need to use units when we're working with numbers in this class. They always should have a unit associated behind it. We're going to use the MKS system: meter, kilogram, and seconds. We do not want to use such units such as centimeter, gram, seconds, or even foot, pounds. The prefixes we will focus on are the kilo, which is times 10 to the third, centi, 10 to the negative second, and milli, 10 to the negative third. You should be familiar with these. Mass is a measure of how much material an object is made of, how much stuff it is. The unit is the kilogram. We're not going to use the gram. It's often confused with weight, which we know we measure in pounds. But weight is a force. It's an attraction to Earth. Volume is the amount of space that matter occupies. The unit we're going to use is the liter, but we could also use centimeters cubed, or meters cubed for that matter. If you look at the top box, because it's a box, you can represent each of the lengths of the box, so we call it centimeter cubed. At the bottom, we're looking at a graduated cylinder, so often in that case we'll use liters or milliliters. Here's some common English to metric conversions: centimeters to inches, inches back to centimeters, pounds to kilograms, but we're not going to spend too much time worrying about those conversions.